Kendall. Quick question. If you could only eat one food forever, what would it be?
Whoa, that's impossible. I don't think I could choose.
Come on, think fast. I bet you have a favorite.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Anglo, where learning English is simply fun.
Yes, we're here to help you practice English while talking about things everyone loves, like food. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us make more fun episodes for you.
And if you enjoy this video, share it with your friends who want to practice English too. Okay, maybe pizza.
Good choice. I would probably pick sushi. I can't get enough.
Sushi? Really? I could never eat raw fish every day.
I know, but it's so fresh and light. Perfect for me.
Maybe I should give it another chance someday. But pizza feels safer.
Safe, yes. But remember, trying new foods is fun. You never know what you might like.
True. Maybe after this episode, I'll finally try sushi for lunch.
Yes, and that's why food is so exciting. Everyone has different tastes. So, what's your real favorite food?
I love homemade pasta, especially with tomato sauce and cheese. What about you?
I really like fresh fruits, especially mango and strawberries. They're sweet and refreshing.
Nice. I like fruit too. It's healthy and easy to eat.
Sometimes I make a little fruit salad. Mango, strawberries, maybe some blueberries. It looks so colorful.
That sounds amazing. I usually just eat fruit plain. Maybe I should try making a salad too.
Yes, and the best part, you can add a little honey on top if you like it sweet, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon.
Honey and cinnamon? Oh, wow, that sounds delicious. I might need to try that tomorrow morning.
Definitely. And sometimes I add a few nuts for crunch. It's like dessert, but healthy.
Healthy dessert? I'm all in. I could eat that every day.
Last weekend, I made a huge fruit bowl for my family. My little brother tried mango for the first time. He made a funny face at first, but then he couldn't stop eating it.
That's so cute. Fruit can surprise people sometimes. And, I've never really tried sushi much. Maybe after this video, I'll give it a try like you do every day.
Exactly. Food is fun because everyone has different tastes. Sometimes trying something new is the best part. You never know what you might discover.
True. Homemade pasta, fruit salads. I think I could eat both every week.
And the best part? Both are healthy and give you energy. Pasta for strength, fruit for vitamins. The perfect combo.
Maybe we should make a rule. Fruit before pasta every day. That way I get the best of both worlds.
Deal. And maybe a tiny chocolate treat after dinner. Balance is important, right?
Absolutely. Healthy, fun, and a little treat. That's the perfect food plan.
Do you like spicy food or sweet food more?
I'm more of a sweet person. I can't handle too much spice.
I love spicy food. A little heat makes everything taste better.
We are opposites. I tried a spicy curry once. I think I was sweating for an hour. My mouth was on fire.
Oh no, that's too funny. But spicy food can be exciting. It wakes up your taste buds and makes every bite interesting.
True, but for me, I'll stick with desserts and sweet snacks. Chocolate, cookies, safe and delicious.
I get it. Sweet treats are the best. But sometimes I mix sweet and spicy, like a spicy mango salad. Ever tried that?
Spicy mango salad? Wow, that sounds unusual. Maybe I'll try it one day. I'm curious, but careful.
Yes, it's fun to experiment. Food doesn't have to be boring. And even if you try something new and don't like it, that's okay. At least you tried.
Okay, that's fair. I guess I'll start small. Maybe a little spice in my pasta sauce first.
Perfect idea. Small steps. And soon you might discover a new favorite food.
True. Okay, now, do you usually cook at home or eat out?
Mostly at home. I love cooking because I can try new recipes and add my own twist. But sometimes I order pizza on Fridays. Pizza night is a tradition.
Same here. Cooking is fun, but delivery is easy when I'm tired. And pizza never disappoints.
Exactly! And eating out is also fun. You get to try foods you wouldn't normally cook, like sushi, spicy street food, or special desserts. Sometimes I grab burgers or tacos too, just for a treat.
Ooh, burgers. I love a good cheeseburger with fries. And tacos are so fun. You can mix so many flavors. I usually go for simple ones, but I'd try spicy tacos someday.
Yes, and there's also sandwiches, wraps, or even ramen if you're in the mood for something different. Street food can be exciting, like dumplings, hot dogs, or even falafel.
Maybe I'll start trying new foods too. Small steps, right? Maybe I'll have tacos this weekend and try a new street food next week.
Yes, and who knows, maybe next week you'll be asking for a little spice on everything.
I doubt it, but I'll give it a try. At least I'll taste a little adventure.
Exactly. Food is not just about eating, it's about exploring, having fun, and learning a little along the way. And the more foods you try, the more words you'll learn in English too. Okay, let's quickly go through a normal day. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I like something simple, like toast and eggs, and coffee, of course.
Nice. I usually have fruit and yogurt, quick and healthy. Sometimes I add a little honey or granola on top.
Oh, granola, that sounds good. I usually just stick to eggs, maybe with a little cheese.
Cheese makes breakfast even better. And what about drinks? Coffee, tea, or juice?
Always coffee in the morning. Black coffee, no sugar.
Wow, strong start. I like my coffee with a little milk and sugar, just enough to wake me up without being too strong.
Haha, fair enough. And sometimes, if I'm in a hurry, I grab a banana or an apple. Easy and healthy.
Exactly. Fruit is perfect for a quick breakfast, and eggs or toast give you energy for the morning. Okay, lunch. What's a typical lunch for you?
I often have rice with vegetables or a sandwich. Sometimes I add a little cheese or boiled eggs if I want extra protein.
Yum, that sounds tasty and healthy. I usually have a salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and a boiled egg, or sometimes a vegetable sandwich. And sometimes I add chicken or fish if I want a bigger meal.
Sounds delicious. And sometimes I add a small soup with my lunch, especially if it's a cold day.
Ah, yes. Soup is always comforting. I love tomato soup or vegetable soup, easy and healthy.
And if I want something quick, a sandwich or leftover pasta works perfectly.
Exactly. Lunch can be simple but still tasty and nutritious. All right, dinner. What do you usually eat?
Dinner is usually lighter for me. Maybe soup, pasta, or a vegetable stir-fry.
Yes, I also like light dinners. A salad, some roasted vegetables, or a vegetable stir-fry. Sometimes I cook fish or chicken too.
And on weekends, sometimes I treat myself. A little pasta with cheese or a small dessert.
Pizza night is always fun, and yes, a little dessert now and then makes it special.
Exactly. Healthy meals during the day and a small treat to end the day.
Perfect! Breakfast, lunch, and dinner don't have to be complicated. Simple foods like eggs, toast, fruit, rice, pasta, and vegetables make a great day of eating.
And don't forget a little snack in between. Fruit, nuts, or yogurt keeps you going.
By the way, Kendall, are you a vegetarian?
No, I'm not, but I eat a lot of vegetables. I love broccoli, carrots, and sometimes roasted peppers. What about you?
I'm not vegetarian either, but I try to have fruit every day. Mango, apples, strawberries, and sometimes grapes or watermelon when they're in season. Fresh fruit makes me feel so energized.
That sounds delicious. And yes, vegetables are great too. Sometimes I make a little salad with lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Simple and tasty.
Exactly, and don't forget a little treat every now and then. Chocolate, a cookie, or maybe some yogurt with honey.
Definitely. Healthy foods most of the time and a small treat once in a while. That's the perfect mix.
And the great thing is, talking about fruits and vegetables is a fun way to practice your English. You can learn new words while thinking about your meals.
Yes, words like broccoli, carrot, mango, apple, salad, easy to remember and delicious to talk about.
Okay, last fun part. Let's do a quick game. Would you rather eat spicy curry for breakfast or sweet pancakes?
Sweet pancakes all the way. I love the syrup and fresh fruit on top. Yum.
I'd pick spicy curry for sure. A little heat in the morning wakes me up and makes everything taste exciting.
Wow, spicy curry for breakfast? That's brave. I think I'd need a big glass of water with that.
Exactly, and that's the fun part. Everyone has different tastes. No one choice is wrong.
True. Some people like chocolate for breakfast, some people like eggs, some even like a smoothie. It's all about what makes you happy.
All right, now it's your turn. Would you rather eat something spicy like curry or something sweet like pancakes for breakfast? Leave your answer in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you choose.
Yes, and tell us your favorite food, too. It's a fun way to practice English while talking about something you love.
Plus, you can learn new words like curry, pancakes, syrup, chocolate, smoothie, spicy, sweet, all while having fun.
You can practice by asking your friends about their favorite foods, too. Conversation is the best way to improve.
That's right. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us make more fun episodes for you.
Yes, share it with your friends who want to practice English, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!